beautiful friends. Welcome back to my darling little home. Today, we will be transforming this Dollar Tree sign into this beauty. So what you're gonna need is this Dollar Tree sign. I picked these flowers from the Dollar Tree. And this pick I got from Hobby Lobby. You're gonna need a glue gun, some paint, or chalk paint, a brush. This Dollar Tree sign is beautiful as it is, but it just doesn't go with my decor this year. So we're gonna start by painting the Dollar Tree sign. I did 3 coats of paint. While that dries, prepare your flowers. And we're gonna do another coat. And I decided to use this pearlized paint just to give it more interest. It was 98 cents at Walmart. And I'm also using this wax. I decided to paint the stem with that. I know it's not paint, but it turned out really nice. Just use what you have on hand. We're gonna add some shadow with whatever paint is left on the brush. Add more if you need more. And we're gonna let it dry. While the pumpkin dries, I decided to do a bow with this ribbon I had left over from my Christmas tree last year. I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I was trying to show you guys how to do the bow, but I didn't see that I was not recording myself doing it. So here, I'm trying to figure out how I want my sign, how many flowers I want. At the end, I decided I only wanted 1 flower. And I used one of those signs from the Dollar Tree, the galvanized ones. And I'm using the word thankful. I'm also adding pieces of this pig to give it more interest. So I decided to glue the flower on my bow and adding the little pieces around the flower. Now I'm gluing the thankful sign on my pumpkin with the glue gun and the bow on the top of my pumpkin. And you're ready to go. Isn't it so pretty? I love how it turned out. Remember, you can paint it any color you want and use any ribbon you want and make it your own. Well guys, I hope you guys like this DIY. Keep coming back for more. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.